Cooney Freeze Block has the solution to an age-old problem: how to protect HVAC coils from freeze damage. Until now, the HVAC industry could offer only limited solutions: expensive freestats and sensing devices, adding glycol into the system, draining coils every winter, and carrying out aggressive preventive maintenance on dampers, valves, and pneumatic control lines. In spite of all this, coils still freeze. And when coils freeze, the cost can be enormous, not only for repairing or replacing damaged coils, but also for flood damage and facility downtime. The Cooney Freeze Block is a permanent solution. It is designed to prevent coil damage during freezing conditions. This new patent-pending technology combines expansion headers with pressure and temperature relief, so even when coils freeze, there is no damage to tubes and return vents. Coils can freeze faster than you think because air traveling across them wipes out BTUs at an amazingly high rate. Water can freeze and rupture a coil within minutes, often faster than you could respond to a freeze-stat alarm. In freezing conditions, ice begins to form on the inner tube wall. It expands inward until it creates an ice plug. This plug then spreads throughout the tube. As ice expands, it exerts enormous pressure on the return bends. This outward pressure can exceed 2,500 psi, causing the bend to bulge and split. When a ruptured coil begins to thaw, water flowing back through the coil gushes out of the cracks, splashes through the air handler, and often overflows the drain pan. This water can penetrate the floors below. When flooding happens, the building may be shut down, and the cost for mold remediation, system outages, repairing floors and walls, and replacing damaged equipment can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. The Cooney Freeze Block directly addresses these risks and costs. It is designed to protect the coil from bulging and splitting. When ice forms and expands inside the coil, pressure begins to build in the expansion header. A specifically engineered relief valve is connected to the expansion header. When the pressure exceeds the set point, the relief valve releases a small volume of water into the drain pan. This maintains a safe pressure in the coil. The relief valve also has a reverse-acting thermal element which activates under low external air temperatures as well as near-freezing internal water conditions. It offers another level of protection by handling residual cold water. After the pressure drops below and the temperature rises above the set point, the relief valve automatically reseats itself. Multiple freeze and thaw tests in wind tunnels have proven that the Cooney Freeze Block works in the laboratory. Users that have installed it throughout the United States have proven that the Cooney Freeze Block works in the real world. The Cooney Freeze Block provides the ultimate defense against frozen coils and associated damages. Next time you replace a coil or install a new air handler, insist that it is protected with Cooney Freeze Block. For more information, visit www.cooneycoil.com.